He's taking Daniel in, is he? Yeah, it's 10:30 when it changes. Oh, I know what it's going to do. When it gets onto the final spin in a minute, it says 7 minutes left to go, and then it's going to speed up again. The numbers. That's what ours did. Well, I said it weren't going to be my lucky day, but go on then. No, I'm one of them for ages. I won't then. Go on. Yeah, well, when we had to get rid of ours, it just kept leaking all the time. And they give us a replacement, but this one's actually better than the one we've got now, because it tells you how long it's left.
That newer one?
No, this one's older. I'd say it's about 12 years old, or 10 years old, this one. That's definitely not just the bearings, that. Just think the one we've got after this one, it's already had a new drum put in it because the bearings went. Did that on your other one, didn't they? The Hoover. That clock is going to, it's going to say less than a minute. In a minute, it's going to speed up again. Got to see this when it gets up to 1200. It's going to get loud.